requests of American drivers, the 2019 Jetta offers an extensive suite of driver help innovation. Accessible highlights include forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, front assist, blind spot monitor with rear traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, ACC, dynamic lane keeping system, lane assist, and high beam control, light assist. Front assist, discretionary on S models, in the driver assistance bundle, and standard on all other Jetta models, cautions drivers of potential frontal crashes, forward collision warning, with vehicles, and now and again gives programmed braking help, autonomous emergency braking. Inside physical framework limits, forward collision warning cautions the driver of potential basic front-end impact circumstances, both acoustically and outwardly by a notice image in the instrument group if the auto is over 20 miles per hour on the off chance that the driver neglects to brake, or if the auto is underneath 20 miles per hour. Autonomous emergency braking is actuated to moderate the vehicle. On the off chance that the brake pedal is connected yet the driver brakes too delicately, the brake weight is expanded by the framework, braking support. Blind side monitor with rear traffic alert is discretionary on S models, in the driver assistance bundle, and included as standard gear on all other VW Jetta models. Blind side monitor utilizes two radar sensors at the back of the vehicle to check the moving toward activity and help caution drivers of potential threat in contiguous paths. On the off chance that the driver utilizes the swing sign to demonstrate a path change while a vehicle is identified in a blind side, the framework uses a blazing LED image in the external region of the side mirrors. Regardless of whether the driver does not utilize the turn flag, the LED image in the mirror will light up if a vehicle is recognized in the blind side. The framework is intended to help caution drivers in particular circumstances. Stationary items or approaching vehicles don't trigger notices, nor will vehicles in excess of one path crosswise over far from the vehicle. On the off chance that joined with lane assist, Jetta Cell and Cell Premium, see beneath. The framework not just cautions the driver with the glimmering LED image if a vehicle is recognized in the blind side, yet